This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about using our little gold presentation boards with pastries. So we have a small cheesecake that we baked off here, and we're going to get it ready to go. And we want to use it on this, but obviously with the crust on the cheesecake, it's not going to stick. So if the products you're placing on them don't have any hold to them, right? They're not wet or anything like that. Using just a little bit of vanilla buttercream or ganache or something else like that that'll set up when you refrigerate them is a great way to keep your little pastries in place on your boards for service. This is now ready. I can top it with some fruit or another topping, and it's going to look great for our next event. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.